My New Year's resolution is to fix my hair, so come with me as I show you my hair routine. I have always struggled with brittle and fragile hair, but after switching to the Australian Organic, it has been life-changing. The Argan Oil Hair Growth Shampoo and Conditioner are the perfect products to stop hair loss and stimulate new hair growth. They also alleviate scalp issues and strengthen your hair. My hair is always left feeling extremely nourished, and I've noticed a reduction in breakage and split ends. I apply a generous amount of the shampoo and massage that into my scalp. Then I run the conditioner through my hair, focusing on my ends, and leave that for 1 to 2 minutes. Lastly, I use the Miracle Hair Growth Spray and spray it directly on my scalp. The products all work amazing on their own, but I would purchase them together to achieve maximum results. My hair is left with a radiant shine, and I could not feel more confident. If you're looking to start your hair journey too, then head to theaustralianorganic.com.au. I truly am obsessed.